All right, you gorgeous students, Miss Palmer here, and we are going to go over question number 4 from the Unit 2 test. You'll see my test is on the left side and my paper is on the right side where I've already solved, question number 3. So we're going to go over question number 4. So let's read it. At the book fair, Andrea bought 3 funky pens, a journal, and a new book. The tax for her purchase was 96 cents. So all the books cost $5.75, all the journals cost $2.50, and all the funky pens cost $1.25. If Andrea paid with a $20 bill, how much change did she receive? So first I need to pull out what I understand about this question. And what I understand is that I am figuring out how much change I'm going to receive back after buying some purchases with a $20 bill. So now I'm going to pull out my information that will help me solve this. So my plan is she got 3 funky pens. At $1.25 each. She bought a journal, so 1 journal at $2.50. And she bought a new book, so 1 book at $5.75. So my plan is to figure out the total cost of all items and then subtract it from a $20 bill. So then subtract from $20, from 20. I keep saying the word dollar. We're just going to subtract it from 20. Okay, to figure out our total cost here, she got 3 pens. So I can either repeatedly add $1.25 3 times, or I can multiply. And also, guys, this is mental math. Think if you have 3 quarters, that's 75 cents, and then $3, then that's $3.75. But let's work it out. So first, let's multiply $1. Here, let me zoom in. $1.25 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15, carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, which is 7. 1 times 3 is 3. I see 2 values after the decimal point, so I'm going to go in twice in my answer. So the total pens cost $3.75. Then I'm going to add in the cost of the journal and the cost of the new book. Ooh, and tax. I cannot forget about that tax. And yes, guys, you can always add everything all together. However, if this is too much, then just chunk it. Just add the $3.75 plus the $2.50, and then put that sum with the $5.75, and then put that sum with the 96. So 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 6 is 16. Carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 7 is 20. And 20 plus 9 is 29. Carry the 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. And let's bring down my decimal. So $12.96 is the total bill. My next step is to subtract, this is my total, from $20. And please note that I am putting the decimal and the 2 zeros just to make sure that all of my decimals are aligned. All right, we're doing a lot of borrowing here. So this becomes 10, this guy becomes 9, who had to borrow from this guy, who becomes 9, who had to borrow from this guy, who becomes 1. I like to do all of my borrowing first if I know that I need to borrow, just so it doesn't mess me up when subtracting. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 9 is 0. Pull down my decimal. 9 minus 2 is 7, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So Miss Andrea should receive $7.04 in change. That was a lot. So if you guys have any questions about question number 4, please ask your teacher.